Got a little bit different kind of sublimation project going on here today. We're going to sublimate on socks. Step by step, easy to do. Show you coming up. I'm Roger, welcome to the shop. Actually, the loft above the shop because it's nice and warm up here and it's dusty and a little chilly downstairs in the shop. It's really cold outside. It's January. So I'm thinking about our upcoming trip here to Mexico, and we're going to make some festive, decorative type stuff. We're going to be in the Caribbean, so why not sublimate onto some socks? So I've got one pair done here. Of course, it's on both sides, so you can see it from both sides. And what do you need to do this? Well, you need socks. And they need to be high polyester. These all happen to be 98% polyester, 2% spandex, and rubber. Okay, so got some different sizes here. Got tube socks, crew length, as they call them. And I got 6 pairs of those. And I've got these low-cut socks. I have 6 pairs of those. So how much do these cost? And these cost? Right there, $4.99. A place called Ross's that my wife drugged me into to do some shopping, and I saw these. It gave me an idea. So then, toddler socks. Yeah, for the great-granddaughter, because she's going with. $1.25, 3 pairs, Dollar Tree. 98% polyester. And 2 of them are pairs or have a white background, and then 1 pair has a kind of a gray, so my graphic won't show up quite as well on it, but I don't think she's going to care. So I'll take you on the computer here and show you how I'm laying out these graphics. I got Inkscape open here, and I got a parent brought in, but I need to change a couple things to my document properties. Get this to A4 to US letter. Okay, now my graphic is just like way too big, and I need to do this in inches. Lock that, so my maximum height I can use on my sock here on the crew sock is 5 inches. And that brings the width to 2.6 and 2.5. It would be ideal. Bring this guy down here. And I'm going to change that to 2.5. Width. That reduces my height just a little bit. Now when remeasuring my sock, I guess I can go a little bit bigger than that. I can actually go 3 inches wide if I desire. Gives me a height of 5.6. And that's going to put the tail down too far on this particular one. So I'm going to change this back to 5. So there's what I've got. So I'll need one of those for each side of each sock. So I'll do a Control-C and copy that. Control-V and paste it. I don't know if I can get 4 of these across here or not. Let's see what we can do here. Well, I can get 3. So I'm going to copy all of those. I'm going to Control-C again here. Do a Control-V. For a paste. We'll move those guys down here. So that'll work to make 1.5 pairs. So I'll need to add some more. I'll just print 2 sheets of this. Go here to File and Print. And get down here to more settings. So we're doing premium presentation paper matte, quality high, color of course. I'm doing a print preview. Print more options. I'm going to mirror this. Okay, there. And here for copies, we want 2. I'll send that to the printer. Using an Epson 2720 here for this. And I'll just hit print. For my ankle socks, my graphic area I can use is 2.5 by 4. Need to make some changes here. I can make these 2.5 by 2.5. I'll measure again here, see if I couldn't squeeze 3 inches out of that. And I think I can. We'll just wrap around a little bit. So I need to make some more of these. So we'll do a Control C and a Control V. Give me a copy. We'll put him over there. Copy that whole thing there. Control C. Down over to Control V. And I can get one more set on here so I can do 3 pairs of socks. And I'll send that one to the printer. Okay, then for the little toddler socks here, I've got some little baby shark characters that will fit across the top of them. And I'll be printing these. Of course, I'll be mirroring them when I print them. Okay, got the graphics printing right there. And if you're going to do a lot of socks, invest in a pair of these little sock template things, whatever you want to call it. You slip the sock on over this and it makes it very easy to apply your graphic to. Of course, if you're going to have to do one side at a time, so it'd be very difficult to get a complete wrap around the sock with this type of template, but I'm not trying to do a full color wraparound. I'm just doing designs on each side, or in the case of the ankle socks and the toddler socks, I'm putting the graphic on the top. And believe it or not, toddler socks will fit over this. So I was wondering about that, but I tried one out and they do stretch over it and fit just fine. So the next thing I need to do here is cut all my graphics apart, and that's scissor work. You don't need to watch me do that. Okay, get all my pieces cut and laid out here and ready to go. Got my little template things here. So what I want to do is, the sock comes like this. Of course, when you actually put it on, you want your toe to go across this area right here. So you want to make sure you keep this straight and you don't get it twisted on there, or you'll end up with your graphic on the front and back instead of on the sides after you put the sock on. So this just slips right over the template here, like so. Of course, we're putting our graphic up here at this end. And I got it kind of cut halfway to shape there where it's kind of close. Try to keep everything on the little corrugated part is what I'm going to call it. There's a couple pieces of heat tape and one up here. And if you wanted to, you could put a different graphic on each side. It's completely up to you how you want to decorate them. So now I just need to take this over to the heat press. As I said, you can only do one side at a time. You can't do both sides at once. The temperature here is 360 degrees, 60 seconds on each side. So we have, and I'll put both of these in at once, and then I'll take them out and flip them. I'll just take these off. I'll set them off to cool for a little bit, and then I'll pull the paper off. That's mighty hot down there at the other end. And let they cool off for a bit. And these little fluffy things you see from the heat tape, that'll disappear after you've had them on for a little bit or after you wash them. That disappears. Yeah, nice little design there. Now we'll get some more prepped. On the ankle socks, I'm just putting, these are where the palm trees are going. We're just putting them on the top of the sock because this is, right here is going to be about where your shoe is, so you would not see that unless you had your shoes off. But that's the idea, is to have this decoration on the top of the sock. It's exactly the same time and temperature, 365, 60 seconds. Well, there's our palm trees. Now I'll get some toddler socks going here. Again, these toddler socks, these are actually like toddler ankle socks. As you can see here, there's the heel portion on the back. So the graphic will be on the top, much like what I did with the adult size socks. Same time and temperature. And I like to leave the ends hanging out so I got something to grab without having to put the gloves on. There's our baby sharks. Ooh, that's hot. So there's how to sublimate on socks. Easy process. If you're going to just want to practice and kind of learn, go to your local Dollar Tree and grab some polyester socks and print a few things and just kind of have at it. These here are available, I bought these on Amazon. They just make it a lot easier. You can make do with other things. You could even cut a piece of cardboard and it would do the same thing, but I've been doing a lot of them, so I invested in a set of these. And what's nice is, being aluminum, they do cool off rather quickly after you take them off the press. So I've got my crew sock, of course, both sides. We've got the different toddler socks here with some baby sharks on for the great-granddaughter. I know she'll like that. Got the ankle sock palm tree and my ankle sock parrot. So ready to travel. So if you got anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Always helps the channel. I'm Roger in the loft above the shop. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.